I thought it would be a great idea to show you what the difference between Lumniar Neo and Photoshop 2023 already, the sky replacement feature on both of them. So anyways, let's get to it. So I've got my Lightroom open. This is what I was going to say here, so that you can see right in here. It's not too bad, but I'm going to just put my... Now I'm going to take this photo and let's go into Lumniar Neo.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I can go right into edit. Come on, here you go. Go right into edit and sky. Now I'm gonna pick my sky and let's see, maybe that one. I'm just gonna kind of guess. That one is probably doable. Right away, I want to show you this. Yeah, look. Ooh, it's kind of pixelated, but there you go. Okay. It's not too bad, actually. But to me, it just doesn't look so natural. So what I like to do is, let's see, relighting, sky rate. Don't need to do that so much, but there's a sky adjustment. Warmth bright. I like to brighten it up just a little bit. Make it kind of more natural. So now let's apply that, export it to Lightroom. Thank you for those that subscribe to me. The ones that are just passing by and taking a look at my channel and see what I'm up to and things like that, I much appreciate too. Ones that that don't really like my content but are here anyways, what are you doing here?
Later that same evening.
I'm going to put it into, come on, Photoshop. So right away, let's go into edit, sky replacement, and not too bad. I think it needs to be brightened up a little bit, but as you can probably see, it doesn't look too bad. So anyways, let's just zoom in on it and see what, not too bad. Looks a little more natural, I think. Okay, so that, not bad at all. They're both very comparable. I thought when I was looking at them, there should be a real difference